if we ever need just a B3 sound, you can use the arrow keys down here to move this from Dreamy Piano Build down to a sound called Good and Graceful. And there is a B3 organ in patch number 3. And then we would just turn down all the others. Because we don't turn down all the others, it sounds like that. So we'll turn down everything except number 3. Which is a B3 organ sound that has a little bit too much drive on it. That's distortion, so I'm going to back that down. Still a little bit too much, so I'll back that down. I'll try and preset this so you don't have to think about this, obviously, in real time. And that's that without the vibrato sound. And if you turn up tone 3, it kicks in the Leslie. And if you take it out, turns it back off,